Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole Chantell. Even though you can't see me right now and all you see is these two nail products, that is because I am going to be doing a video on these today. If you like beauty related videos, 31 days of Halloween and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this nail video. And this here is the China Glaze, and this is the dip system, and these are all in 3 nude shades. So when I use the shades, I will actually list it here on the screen what shades I'm actually using. They also did come in a variety of different colors as well, but the nude shades really caught my eye. I just thought they were super pretty. Then also I picked up the China Glaze dip system, and this is the base plus top coat and the activator, which you need to use with the powder products. And I also picked up a nail file that I got from Dollarama, and it was only $1.25, and it has like all the different grits on it. You have your soft, you have your core one, you have your buffer. So I thought that this would be a perfect filer for my nails. So it also came with instructions on how to use the base coat and the activator as well. And I got all the products here now laid out. It also came with a little tiny birch stick where you could just push back your cuticles. And then it came with these like little tiny sponges right here. So when you dip your nail into the product, you could just wipe off the excess with the sponge. So first I'm just going to push back my cuticle and just clean around that area with the little birch stick that they provided. And I'm just going to slightly buff my nail into shape. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the base and top coat, and I'm going to apply it to my nail. And then I'm going to take my nail and dip it right into the product. And you want to make sure that you don't get this on your skin. Hold it for 3 seconds. And once that's done, then you just wipe off any of the excess. Then you take the base and top coat again and you apply another layer, and you dip it again into the product and hold it again for 3 seconds. So I went ahead off camera and I did the rest of my nails with the base and top coat along with the powder. Now once that's done, you go ahead and you take the activator and then you go ahead and apply this to your nails. Now they do say in the instructions, once you apply this to your nails, allow it to dry before you apply the top coat and shape your nails. Now if you're wondering how to remove these are really easy to remove. All you do is you just take your little tiny birch stick and you just apply a little tiny bit of pressure to each of the sides of your nail and then go around, and it actually pops right off really easy. It doesn't hurt the nail at all whatsoever. Now that the drying time is over, you just take your base and top coat and you apply it right on over the nail. So what are my final thoughts on the China Glaze dip system, the base plus top coat and activator? I think these are great products. The only downfall is that I wish that the brush was a lot bigger and more fluffier instead of really super thin and not as thick. And as for the China Glaze dip system nude powders, I really love these powders. I think they're super easy to apply to your nails. I really like that it gives the salon nail look and you don't really have to break the bank. You know, you could just go ahead and apply these every week when you want to change up your looks instead of going to the salon. Also, I think that if you're a nail biter or if you have brittle nails, I think this is really going to help with that. I bite my nails, and since I applied it to my pinky and my pointer finger first there a couple of days ago, I haven't bitten those nails at all whatsoever. So I think that's really going to help with that, and I think that it will help my nails grow. At least this is what I'm thinking. All in all, I really like the products, and of course, like I said, I tested it out on the fake nails and it didn't work as well. It just went really funny and it just didn't apply the product really smooth. So you would have to definitely pass on applying this product to artificial nails. But as for your natural nails, I really love how it works and how it looks, and I can't wait to try out more colors from China Glaze with their dip system. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried any of these products yet and what you think of them. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!